We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Your outdoor AC unit is built to withstand weather patterns. Seasonal rain patterns will not have a negative impact on your AC unit. And don't worry about getting the electrical components wet. Any electrical wiring, such as those used in the condenser coil, will be insulated from wet or rainy conditions.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.